Okay, so today let's see how to do the transaction when it is in of inclusive tax. So you need to choose a product. Then after that, here you choose inclusive tax. Okay, so there will be a pop-up. Just say okay. You choose inclusive tax. You put the amount here for one product. Okay, for per unit price you put it here. Then after that you can choose the tax as normal. Then you can put the quantity here. Say if it is for a quantity of 5, you put in the quantity for 5 here. And so this is the final price. And you can see the tax details also here. Hope this was clear. And if you do not have inclusive of tax, if it is just 5% tax, you can just, I will just do it here. Then choose the product. Then you can choose the quantity, 5. Then you can choose the amount, price for 1. Then the system will auto calculate. Here you can choose the 5% tax. Here, this is how it is done. Okay.